making my temperature dey rise. If you leave me, I go die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. I'm loving the thought of me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your heart. Never did it back and it's real. Open up, make us feel. Yeah, my love one thing. We make a bad man sing. I follow come, love is really gone. I got the finish work. Without you, I could feel you.
I hate the way you talk to me and the way you cut your hair. I hate the way you drive my car. I hate it when you stare. I hate your big dumb combat boots and the way you read my mind. I hate you so much it makes me sick. It even makes me rhyme. I hate it. I hate the way you're always right. I hate it when you lie. I hate it when you make me laugh. Even worse when you make me cry. I hate it when you're not around and the fact that you didn't call. But mostly I hate the way I don't hate you. Not even close. Not even a little bit. Not even at all.
But if I do, then I might miss you, babe. Only when I lie in bed on my own, and I wake up and I don't see your name on my phone. It's the moments when I think that I'm better alone. That's when I remember. That's when I remember. Every time I walk past your house in the rain, and I tell myself that you were the biggest mistake. And just when I think I'm finally doing okay, that's when I remember.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Summer after high school when we first met, we make out in your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday, we got matching tattoos. Used to steal your parents' liquor and climb to the roof. Talk about a future like we had a clue. Never planned that one day I'd be losing you. In another life, I would be your girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world.
Bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billie Eilish. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in silent. Mile high, run that shit back, bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billie Eilish. Watch on my wrist, but I want that.
Do a full face with only eyeliners. Well, it's a good thing I have so many. Okay, but how am I gonna find one my foundation shade? I feel like this jewel eyeliner is my best bet. Fingers crossed. Oh my god. This feels so illegal. 7 years later, hold up. Why is it blending so well? Are you seeing this? Time for contour. I'm mixing this dark brown with this like bronzer shade. The real question is, will she blend? This is not a drill. It's working. I was thinking pink for blush. How cute! Gorgeous. And she blends like a dream. Now you might think I'm crazy, but I was thinking white for concealer. So sorry, I'm running out of time. Head to part 2.
Admit it, Benson. No, you're not cool. How about now, Benson?
Honey, I'm home. Oh, I forgot I'm not married.
Selena, this is your mother. Call me.
I don't know about you, Miss Kitty, but I feel so much yummier.
Tu me dis pas les choses. Allô, 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 elle dit, je te dis paro, paro, paro. Allô, 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 elle dit, je te dis paro, paro, paro. Kill any pain. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy.
Let's do a full face using only Dior makeup. I simply adore this primer. It gives you a super pretty glowy base. This is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Glow. Look at this, how pretty it looks. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Forever Skin Glow. This one has a very beautiful coverage. The finish is very skin-like and then like super radiant. For concealer, I'm using the Forever one. I love when a concealer is high coverage but then still creamy. I like to let my concealer sit a little bit until it dries because then it becomes more like full coverage. I learned this from Nikki tutorials like 4 years ago and I do this every day. I'm gonna use the Backstage concealer to brighten more. I love this applicator. It's like a lip brush. They have this powder that makes your skin look like porcelain. It comes with like a powder puff. And like, look at this. Let's spray some setting spray. I don't know how this product works, but like the way it melts your powder with the foundation is just so beautiful. It just becomes one layer. For bronzing and contouring, I have this one. It's just so pretty. It's a very foolproof formula. It would be pretty hard to apply it and have harsh lines on your face. Next we have highlighter and the blush, so go to part 2.
You know those girls that always look clean, their skin is always glowing, their lips are always glossed, and they never ever look like they're wearing too much makeup? We may not be them, but here's how to get their look. Apply concealer to these exact spots and blend upwards using a damp beauty blender. Here I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. By doing this, you'll lift your face up naturally without having to add heavy contour. Next up, brows. Whether you've got a lot of brow or a little, all you have to remember is that brows are very powerful tools when it comes to lifting up the face. But instead of brushing your brows upward and straight, which can make you look a bit crazy, brush them upward and diagonal, which gives you a more natural but lifted look. Here I'm using the Kosas Clear Brow Gel, and don't forget to lift the tail, it makes all the difference. Next, gently press some translucent powder, this one is by Innisfree, into the places where your concealer usually creases.